Welcome back everybody for another video by your boy Crypto Holger. Let's get this crypto. So in today's video we are talking about the Carol token. Why is that? Well, I woke up today and the Carol token price had gone absolutely ballistic. When I went to bed it was around 18 cents, and when I woke up, yeah, it's gone all the way up to 2 cents. Maybe we'll even hit 2.1 cents. Now, the reason for this parabolic price increase is because, well, the whole freaking market is ripping. As you can see, Ethereum is up 10% today, and if you didn't know, the Carol token is pretty much tied to Ethereum. So if Ethereum goes up, Carol goes up, our dividends goes up, and everybody's happy. Let's get this crypto. Now, I know you have already seen like 100,000 videos about Carol protocol, but I just gotta emphasize how freaking insane this project really is. I went in on day one because, yeah, I saw the potential of this project. At the time that I went in, it only had 30,000 in liquidity. Right now we are sitting at 475,000, which is absolutely insane, dude. I'm not seeing this stopping anytime soon. I truly believe we will see 1 million in TVL before December. Anyway, let me talk a little bit about this project and let me make a quick correction to my last video. Now, if you have been sleeping on this project, hopefully you haven't, or you have missed out on some massive gains, but hey, it's never too late. I'm very bullish on Carol. I think they will be around for a very long time, and I truly believe this will be one of those blue chip projects on the base chain. Now, anyway, how does Carol work? Well, Carol, this is a super simple project. All you need to do to bond your Carol is put in the amount that you want to bond. Let's say I want to bond 1 Ethereum for 30 days. That will give me 89,324 Carol tokens. But that's not all. I will also get an extra 30% on my Carol tokens after the 30 days has passed. That's already freaking amazing, but the Carol team has been nice enough to hook me up with a deal for you guys. So if you decide to bond using my link in the description box down below, you will get a free 2,000 Carol tokens on top of that. The only rule is that you have to stake at least 0.1 ETH. Let's get this crypto. After you have created your Carol bond, it will show up under here. As you can see, I got some that are just bonding and some bonds that are also staked. Now, why would you want to stake your bond? Well, it's pretty obvious. Because you get extra dividends plus a 150% return on your tokens, which is absolutely insane. So here you can see the first bond that I made and that I also staked. Staking a bond is super simple. You simply just come here and pick the bond that you want to stake. Hopefully you got enough ETH to stake your bond. As you can see, I don't. I have to transfer some ETH to my base wallet, but anyway, as you can see right here, this is the first bond that I staked, and it was staked 40 days ago. The stake was for 24,162 Carol tokens, so my return on that stake would be 36,000 243 tokens. As you can see, so far I have only earned 29,000, so I still got ways to go. And what I'm doing with the Carol that I'm earning is that I'm basically rebonding every day because I want to build up my hold bonus so that I can grow my daily income percentage. Let's get this crypto. Okay, before I end the video, I just want to make a small correction because in my last Carol video I said that when the bond runs out you will get your ETH back. That is not the case. I don't know how I got that in my head, if I heard it from somewhere or I'm retarded, bro. Sometimes I get stuff wrong. I'm fucking retarded, bro. So if you stake your bond, you will get it back in the Carol tokens, which you can see right here. So that when this hits 36,000, my bond is then over and this will say done or something like that. Anyway, that's pretty much Carol. If you like it, if you like to earn Ethereum while you sleep, think of Carol as your passive income Ethereum printer. That's the only thing that you need to get in your head. Like this, it sounds complicated, it really isn't. Many people have asked me, should we wait for a correction? I don't know. Like, if I wasn't in this project, I would probably bond some tokens right now and wait for a correction to somewhere around here, around the last all-time high. But yeah, that's just me. I would get in now and I would wait for a correction just to be sure. Actually, I will be sending over some ETH later today so that I can start to freaking stake all of these. That's pretty much it. I want to thank you all for watching. Like always, none of this has been financial advice. You should always do your own research. Never invest more money than you can afford to lose. Please like, comment, subscribe. Check out my Telegram group. But most importantly, let's get this crypto. Ciao.